Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, you hear that sizzle, baby? Mm-hmm. Ooh, you hear that crispy potato chip style.
You sound like
This sauce here. Ooh. Yeah. Man. What's up, y'all? I got some baby cabbages here, aka Brussels sprouts. These are my favorite. Anytime I go to a steakhouse, it's the first thing I look for, believe it or not. But we got some issues with the BBB. I ain't talking about the Better Business Bureau. I'm talking about big back behavior. Y'all know how it is with the holidays. So we got to slow it down just in case, New Year and everything coming in. We gonna do some Brussels sprouts, but we gonna still make it taste good. Come on, y'all, let's get into it. So we're gonna chop up that end. So come up just a little like this. Oh, let's take the uglies off. If it look ugly, go ahead, take it off. Alright, so now I can get a better grasp on it. Chop that off a little bit right there. Got it looking like this. Look tasty already. Baby cabbage. Alright, we're going to get the rest of these chopped up and go ahead and season everything. I'm going to show y'all that. Alright, we got our beautiful Brussels sprouts all cut up. Let's go to our first layer of seasoning. Just a little avocado oil right there. Get that all over there. A couple pinches of salt. And that's it. And then we going into the oven with this at 425 on the convection bake setting. After I do this, I'm making me up a special glaze that's gonna go on here. Lay them down on the pan like that. Get on any pan. But we use this as a pizza pan sometimes. We use this for everything. Sometimes we just serve stuff on this, eat off of it. It don't make a difference.
just use it.
Just use it for whatever you want. All right, about to make up the sauce. I got pecans, maple syrup, some avocado oil. We're gonna put it into this bullet here. Boom. That's about a tablespoon and a half of the maple syrup. The syrup. And about a tablespoon avocado oil. It says magic. Let's see. Check out that sauce. You know what? I hope it's enough. So after we scrape everything down, we'll see what we get. Because we don't want to just have it just douse. We just want, the flavors to be very subtle because we're going to mix it up. So yeah, we'll take it from there. 25 minutes. Ooh. 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 Ooh, you hear that sizzle, baby? Mm-hmm. It's gonna come in now. Ooh, you hear that crispy potato chip style.
You sound like
This sauce here. Ooh. Look at that. Look how creamy it look. You know it's good. You know it's good. Oh!
Stop Brussels sprouts. Smell this good.
Oh, man.
Beautiful.
We're looking official. All glazed up.
Good. It's not a piece.
Vegetables shouldn't taste that good. Hey y'all, y'all see how it's done? You won't regret it. And it's not overly sweet, it's just like just a hint. Because you see, we only used a little bit of the sauce to make it. But I'm going to catch y'all back on the next one. Appreciate y'all. Peace.